Alors, bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler du chapitre 6, Grammaire 2, La vie à la campagne. Specifically, today we'll be looking at the superlative with adjectives. So what's a superlative? It's actually fairly similar to the comparative, but it is made of the expressions that are used to say the least or the most. So basically we're taking the comparative to the extreme. So any rules? Of course there are always rules. We have to make sure that the adjective agrees in gender and number with the noun. Exact same way we do with comparative. So masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. So what does it look like? You have your le, la, les, or l'apostrophe, plus ou moins, your adjective, and your de. Well, I want you to write all that down. It is not going to make much sense till we look at the example, so let's go ahead and check it out. C'est la ville la plus jolie de la région. So it is the town, which is the most pretty of the region. So let's go ahead and just line it up. We have la ville la plus, adjective est jolie, de la région. Okay, so any special cases for the superlative? Yes, the structure can change depending on whether the adjective goes before or after the verb. So an example of that, c'est le plus joli village de la région. But c'est le village le plus propre de la région. So in this case, notice this is what we've talked about in the past. We call it bags: beauty, age, goodness, and size. So for adjectives that are describing beauty, age, goodness, or size, the adjective has to go before the noun. So in the first case, we are describing, let's pick a different color, a pretty town. So pretty is an adjective of beauty, so it has to go before the noun. But in the second example, propre means clean. That doesn't have to do with beauty, age, goodness, or size, so it has to come after the noun. So le village le plus propre. So that is basically the only difference with using the superlative. So play this again, view it if it needed, jot down any notes you have, and we'll discuss it at the beginning of next class. Bonne nuit tout le monde.